This video is to show you how to get set up, ready to start your crazy quilt pillow slip. So first of all, I've cut out all my strips of fabric. So you might want to choose 6 or 7 sort of colors that go together. Maybe all of a similar color, and also maybe have some plain colors. Mine all have patterns and mine's very crazy, but you might want to have some plain blues and then some blues with patterns, then some purple and some green, some colors that go together. So this is just what I had. I went to the op shop and they had some fabric left over while I'm on holidays. But at school we have plenty of leftovers, and then you can have some plain that goes with that. So we're going to cut it into 2.5 or 2.25 inch strips. The reason we are using inches is because quilting is an American tradition, and that's the system of measurement they use there. You can use these special quilting rulers. So these are just for quilting. They are precious, and we don't give them to the year 7s or the year 9s. So you need to take care of these, and they are inch squares. Um, so please go ahead, draw your strips and cut them out. Then traditionally, crazy quilting is called crazy because you can just use any color, any shape, but we traditionally start with a 5-sided shape. I've just cut any random shape out of this. That's just something that I did because I wanted to see what looked good on my fabric, and I just moved it about, and then I drew a shape, then I cut that out. You can do it freehand if you want, up to you. And just remembering that we are going to be sewing a 1/4 inch seam, so you will lose the edge of your picture. So make sure that your shape is big enough that you'll have room for a seam. When we are cutting, we are using you can use these rotary cutters if you want. Also, we don't give these to the lower years, only the year 10s. They are a little sharp, and they have a safety button here that you need to press to release the blade. It's a circular blade and it is sharp, and it cuts through multiple layers of fabric if you need it to. And so that just comes out like that when I press the handle. So you just line it up like this once you've got drawn your line, and you just press it firmly down along the edge of the ruler, making sure that you're always using a cutting mat and you're never cutting onto the table, and you're keeping your fingers out of the way. I mean, it shouldn't cut you, but just be very careful, please. If you prefer to use scissors, fabric scissors, go for them. Go for it.